Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your exact model and firmware version in the camera menu so you update the correct file. Once done, charge the battery to full and remove any accessories. This prevents power loss mid-update. Next, download the latest A7III firmware and the release notes to your computer. This explains why the update matters and any specific steps. Make sure your computer meets the OS requirements so the installer runs without interruption. You now install Sony's firmware updater on your computer and open it. Run as administrator on Windows to avoid permission errors. Then connect the camera via the supplied USB cable and select the required USB mode indicated by the updater, because the updater must communicate directly with the camera file system. After the updater recognizes the A7III, follow the prompts to transfer the firmware file. This step writes the update package to the camera, so the internal updater can run. You trigger the update on the camera and watch the progress indicator. Do not power off, press buttons, or disconnect the USB cable while it runs because that can brick the camera. Once the update finishes, the camera will restart. Make sure to check the firmware version in the menu to confirm success and reapply any custom settings that may have reset. If the update fails, try a different USB port or cable and ensure the battery is fully charged before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.